Good morning, friends. I am coming up with another topic of setting up two separate websites from single company, single database. And now with one important options, you can able to configure separate B2C like end consumer website and B2B website with this option, display product price. So this option is now configurable website specific if you can read this. So here I set advanced price list rule for my website one, and then this is my website one which I have set advanced price list rule. And if I go to my home page and go to shop page, I can see everything is as per the setup like default and euro, because it was saying like euro is selectable. So if I go to my price list rule, it says selectable. That's why it was available there. If I say non-selectable, that option won't be available anymore. And you can have a simple B2C website like this. Okay. Now if I'm going again into my website settings and I'm switching to website 2, it will have its own setting. Okay. And then I'm going into price list. Before that, let me show you something. Like over here, if I switch, my website from one website to another website, okay, and going into shop page, everything works same. You can see 750 for customizable task, warranty 20, and at all. Now I'm going in backend and setting up my specific price list for another website. So I'm creating a new price list, B2B website, and here I'm giving a rule for formula and offer 20% discount to all products. And then I say show public and price list, and here this price list will be applicable on website 2. I am sharing it. I am just switching my website to website 1. You can see everything will be normal for business to consumer. Like consider website 1 is business to consumer, and then website 2 will be for B2B. So now you can see the impact. It is now 600, like 20% less, here also 20% less, and everything. And then in backend, you can simply set a domain for both of your website to separate it out. And then you can have separate login, like restrict your login for B2B, and then for B2C you can have open login who anyone can register and buy the shop. So that's how with this particular option enabled in upcoming version 17, you can do two websites from the same database, same company, B2C and B2B. And if you have many more website to launch and very specific price list to use, very specific things to use, you can do that. This will help many business to move on to Odoo e-commerce now. Hope this helps. Thank you.